Hi, I'm Irene from AVL View. In this video, let me explain how you can view or modify the Daily Summary Report. The Daily Summary Report is created from a pre-built template. If you like, you can customize the template to fit your business needs. The Daily Report gives you a snapshot of your vehicle's daily activities, including distance traveled and time spent in motion, standing still, or parked. First, let's learn how to view a daily summary report. Click on the Reports tab at the top of your screen to access reports. Click to view report, select a date or range of dates from the drop-down calendar. If you'd like, you can view a single report on all selected vehicles or multiple reports on each vehicle. You can filter the report by vehicle group or driver to narrow your search further. Click to hide the extra filter options. The summary of your vehicle's activities may be viewed by clicking the summary on the top right corner of the preview. The summary shows how many hours your vehicles were spent moving, active, and driving during business and non-business hours. You can change how your report is grouped and sorted. Once you are done, click Apply the changes. To view the report in a map-like format, click the toggle button on the top right of your screen. You may also choose to view the map in satellite or terrain mode. Reports can be saved as PDF or Excel files. Now, let's learn how to modify the daily summary report. Click the tabular or chart option to view this report in a table or as lines and bars. Continue to the next step, select Standard and Standalone fields. Next, you may include or omit the spatial view in the report output. You can view the model in many modes: line, point, and circular. Proceeding to the next step lets you amend or add conditions and filters. Let's now look at how to summarize and group your data by adding or removing a summary field and changing how it is grouped. You're almost finished. Now publish your report. If you'd like to see what your newly created report looks like before publishing it, click the preview button.